This may be one of the easiest engines to work on yet. There's a lot of assembly around here, and to replace the O-ring on the piston on a lot of engines, we have to go in and take the bottom end of the connecting rod off. That's going to be very difficult to get to if we have to take this all apart. But this flying ball governor assembly is held onto the crankcase by 2 screws and held onto the head by 2 screws. So we should be able to take this one and this one off and take this off, and then this whole assembly will come off, including the rocker. Make sure the fuel tank is empty. Disconnect the fuel line, take the spark plug wire off, and loosen these 4 screws that are holding the cylinder to the crankcase. Then that should come off. The piston will come out the bottom of the cylinder. Replace the O-ring and slide that back on. Put everything back together, and that should be it. And yes, you can hand start it.